Hello and welcome to my office online. Now I want to show you how to create a page border like this, okay, and then bring a text that looks like this one. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have our text here. So we have birthday, so I'm going to add happy to it, so that I will say happy, okay, happy birthday. So I can increase the size, and then let me use this one, increase the size to the bigger, and then I'll bring it in the middle here. Alright, so I can change the font type to this one, like this, okay. And then now what I want is I will border this one. I'll border this text first. I come here, say all border. Right, I will also come here, and then I will say all border. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so I will change the color to green. This one I will change the color to this time. I'm going to use red. Okay, so now I'm going to put a border here, just as it was shown. So I'll come here to border, and then I will come to page borders, or border and shading, borders and shading. So I will click on page border, and then I will come to ads. Then I will find the flower. Since it's happy birthday, so I want her to be happy. Okay, so here it is. You increase the size to 31. Now it is increased already, and then you click on OK. So there it is. It's pretty simple and very easy. So I hope you can do it. And please, if you like our channel, if you like our videos, please do subscribe and recommend our videos to your friends, so that we will also be happy to do more and more along the line. We are saying thank you for watching our video. Until we meet again, goodbye.